How to change name on Candy Crush. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you easy way to change your name on your Candy Crush. So first thing, make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed your Candy Crush application, and once you're inside here, just click on this gear icon at the bottom left corner. So once you click on it, you can see there is an option called my account, so simply tap on it, and from over here all you have to do is simply click on this edit button, which will redirect you to this page. And as you can see, you can simply delete your previous nickname or any other name, and just like that you can enter your new name or new nickname and simply click the save changes button. So that is exactly how you can easily change your name on your Candy Crush application. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.